Hey everyone, welcome back to another JWS Media YouTube video. In this video we're going to be going over the topic of plugins and how you can install your first plugin on your fresh new install of WordPress. So this version of WordPress that I have right now, it's an almost brand new website. I'm doing a bit of a YouTube mini series on building an affiliate marketing website on WordPress, and I'm using this website as an example. So I already have a couple plugins installed here and there, and I have done a few things to the website. I'll give you a bit of a look at it right now. It's nothing too flash at the moment. It's pretty simple. I used the Neve theme to build this website along with Elementor, but there's still a lot to be done. So plugins. Basically, plugins are there to enhance and almost give you more features within WordPress. To install a plugin, you'll want to head down, navigate to the left hand side here, and you want to hover over plugins. As you can see, a drop down menu comes up and you're going to want to click add new. From here, it's going to redirect you to the WordPress plugin repository where you can install and activate new plugins. Let's just say, for example, I want to get the anti-spam plugin here. So I'll click install. Wait for it to install, and now you can see it's giving me the option to activate it, and then I can go and activate it, and now that is going to activate it on my website. And from here I can set up my account and configure the plugin to how I want it to be working. If I want to go and see what plugins I have, you head over to plugins, install plugins, and here they are. And from here, you can deactivate plugins and delete them at the same time as well. So you want to click deactivate and then delete. When it comes to plugins, I recommend that you always go for the least amount of plugins that you can have. This is just because plugins are files, and more files are eventually going to start slowing down your website. And if you are trying to rank well in Google, you do not want that at all. So that's just a bit of an extra tip for you, as well as plugins can conflict with other plugins. So if you have an SEO plugin and you have some other, let's just say caching plugin, for example, they could conflict. So, and this could cause problems with your website. So always be wary as to what plugins you're installing and their compatibility, and if they have any issues and that sort of stuff. Another way to easily check this is by installing the Site Health Checker plugin, and this will tell you if you have any conflicting plugins and that sort of stuff. With that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick little mini tutorial. If you enjoyed it and are looking for more tutorials like this, then please give the video a thumbs up and please subscribe and drop a comment down below as to what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in the next video.